Imagine a world without a single bacterium. A world where the invisible enemies that have caused so much suffering and death are completely eradicated. No more food poisoning, no more infections, no more need for antibiotics. Every meal would be safe, every bite free from the fear of contamination. For humans, this initially seems like a utopia, a dream come true where we can interact closely without the fear of spreading or catching diseases. The diseases that have plagued us for millennia would vanish. Hospitals would no longer be filled with patients suffering from bacterial infections. Hospitals would be emptier, and life expectancy would skyrocket. People would live longer, healthier lives, free from the constant threat of bacterial diseases. The common cold, the flu, pneumonia, all gone. Children could play outside without parents worrying about them catching something. Deadly diseases like tuberculosis and cholera would become relics of the past. These once feared illnesses would be nothing more than historical footnotes. The fear of contracting a bacterial infection, something that has shaped human behavior for centuries, would dissipate. People would move through life with a newfound sense of security. This newfound freedom from disease would be a remarkable achievement, a testament to our ability to manipulate the microbial world. It would be celebrated as one of humanity's greatest triumphs, but our victory would be short-lived. The absence of bacteria would create unforeseen problems. The absence of bacteria, while initially beneficial, would soon reveal its devastating consequences. Our ecosystems, agriculture, and even our own bodies rely on these microorganisms in ways we are only beginning to understand. While some bacteria cause disease, many others are essential for our survival. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. They help us in ways we often take for granted, from digesting our food to protecting us from harmful pathogens. Our gut, home to trillions of bacteria, would be the first to feel the impact if these microorganisms were disrupted. This complex ecosystem is vital for our digestive health. These microscopic allies help us digest food, produce essential vitamins, and even synthesize certain nutrients that our bodies cannot produce on their own. They also play a pivotal role in training our immune system, teaching it to distinguish between friend and foe. Without gut bacteria, our digestive system would be in disarray, leading to a host of digestive issues and discomfort. We would struggle to break down complex carbohydrates, which are a major source of energy for our bodies. This would lead to malnutrition and deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals, affecting our overall health. Our immune system, deprived of its training ground, would be ill-equipped to handle even the slightest threat, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. The delicate balance of our gut microbiome, carefully honed over millions of years of evolution, would be shattered, leading to long-term health consequences. The consequences for human health would be dire, underscoring the importance of maintaining a healthy gut microbiome for our overall well-being. The impact would extend far beyond our own bodies. Plants, the foundation of most ecosystems, rely heavily on bacteria. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria, living in the soil and in the roots of legumes, convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can use. Without these microbial partners, plants would starve. Crop yields would plummet, leading to widespread food shortages. The lush green landscapes we are accustomed to would wither and fade. The disappearance of bacteria would trigger a domino effect, disrupting food chains and collapsing entire ecosystems. Section 4. The nitrogen crisis. The role of bacteria in the nitrogen cycle cannot be overstated. Nitrogen is essential for all life forms, yet most organisms cannot utilize the abundant nitrogen gas in the atmosphere. Bacteria act as nature's nitrogen fixers, converting atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, which plants can then absorb. Without bacteria, this crucial step in the nitrogen cycle would grind to a halt. The amount of usable nitrogen in the soil would dwindle, severely limiting plant growth. This nitrogen crisis would ripple through the entire food web. The consequences would be catastrophic, leading to ecosystem collapse and mass extinction. Section 5. A silent spring indeed. The disappearance of insects, a group heavily reliant on bacteria for digestion and nutrient acquisition, would paint a grim picture. No more buzzing bees pollinating flowers, no more chirping crickets serenading the night. The world would become eerily quiet, a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The delicate symphony of nature, orchestrated over millennia, would fall silent. The absence of bacteria would leave a void, a silence that speaks volumes about their crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet. Section 6. Life finds a way, maybe. In the long term, the disappearance of bacteria could pave the way for new evolutionary paths. Other microorganisms, like archaea, might step in to fill the void left by bacteria. Some organisms might evolve novel ways to fix nitrogen or obtain essential nutrients without relying on bacteria. The biosphere, ever resilient, would strive to find a new equilibrium. However, this new balance would be vastly different from the one we know. The world without bacteria would be a world transformed, a testament to the profound influence of these microscopic marvels. Section 7. A New Earth. The disappearance of bacteria would be an event of unprecedented magnitude, reshaping life on Earth as we know it. Bacteria are the unseen architects of our world, playing a pivotal role in everything from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Without them, the very fabric of life would unravel, leading to a cascade of unforeseen consequences. It underscores the interconnectedness of all living things and the crucial role of microorganisms in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. These tiny organisms are the unsung heroes of our ecosystems, facilitating nutrient cycles, aiding in digestion, and even protecting us from harmful pathogens. Their absence would disrupt these processes, leading to a domino effect that would impact every living organism. While the initial absence of bacterial diseases might seem appealing, the long-term consequences would be devastating. The disappearance of beneficial bacteria would compromise our immune systems, making us more vulnerable to other diseases. Moreover, the collapse of ecosystems would lead to food shortages, affecting human health and survival. The world without bacteria would be a stark reminder that even the smallest of creatures can have the most significant impact. Plants would struggle to grow, animals would lose their primary food sources, and the natural cycles that sustain life would come to a halt. The barren landscapes would serve as a haunting testament to the importance of these microscopic beings. It is a future we should strive to avoid, for it highlights the importance of appreciating and protecting the microbial world that underpins our very existence. Scientists and environmentalists are working tirelessly to understand and preserve these vital organisms. By fostering a deeper appreciation for the microbial world, we can ensure the health and sustainability of our planet for generations to come.